Hey, what's up guys, this is BNB again in a new tutorial with more and much more fun. This time, as you saw in the intro of this video, we will make a 555 LED cube. That means controlling 125 LEDs using one Arduino board. So let's go to make it. As usual, this is an introduction about the project, so we are talking about controlling 125 LEDs. The question is how to control all these LEDs when we don't have enough digital pins in our Arduino, because, well, in Arduino Mega, for example, we have only 54 digital pins. Actually, this is what we're gonna see in the programming part because it will be a little bit deceptive there. But anyway, here is the principle. We will make 5 layers. In each layer we will solder 25 LEDs to make 2D array or a matrices, 5 columns and 5 rows. We will use only 30 pins from Arduino, 5 pins for the ground to select the layer, and 25 pins to control the LEDs of the selected layer. From this point we can understand that all the cathodes of each layer are connected to each other, so we have one cathode for each layer and all the anodes of the same position, and all layers will be connected to each other. For example, if I want to turn on the first LED of the third level, I should select the level by sending giant D through the third layer pin and send high logic level through the anode of the first LED. It will not be that much complicated because we provided the source code of this project so you can download it and modify it to suit your needs. Also, an Arduino library is available to make things easier for you. Now, talking about electronic project, that means a PCB is necessary to make the assemble of our cube. This is why I moved to EasyEDA platform to prepare the schematic for this project, then order the PCB to finish the job. So as usual, we start a new project and search the necessary components like the Arduino Mega 2516, the LEDs, the transistors, etc. And as you can see, all the components are available in this platform, so you can easily place them and connect them together in order to make this schematic, which is provided in open source. So you can just scroll down to the description of this video where I provided a link for this schematic. Also, this platform allows you to transform your schematic into PCB, and this is exactly what we need. So if you want to learn more about how to customize your PCB, watch this video where I explained in details how to use the EasyEDA platform. Now our PCB is ready, so let's take a look at it through the PCB viewer. Okay, it looks like great, and as you see, I added some labels and description to guide you while soldering the components. Moving to the last step, which is the ordering, let's set the black color, which is my preferred one, but you can select whatever color you want. After that, we do the payment and wait for the delivery. Just 5 days only to receive the packet, and it was an amazing service. The PCBs are very well manufactured as usual, and all the labels are there with the description, etc. So the making of this project will be so handy now. Alright, moving to the hardware part, let's make a review on the electronic stuff that we need. So we will use one Arduino Mega 2516, 25 pull-down resistors 330 ohm, 5 NPN transistors, 5 pull-up resistors 1K ohm, some heater connectors, the PCB that we ordered from Easy EDA, and for sure 125 LEDs 5mm. And by the way, I prepared this plexiglass socket where we're gonna put our cube. Before starting the soldering of our components, we need to prepare the cube shape first. And to do this, I advise you to follow this technique. Take a piece of polystyrene and draw a 5/5 matrices. Then drill a small hole in each line's intersection. Now take 25 LEDs and bend all them cathodes. And put one LED in each hole to solder all the cathodes together in order to make one layer. Then repeat the same thing to make 5 layers and solder them together to create this cube shape where we have all the anodes of the same line connected together. We are ready now, so let's start soldering the components, and don't forget to follow the levels to avoid soldering mistakes. And above the cube, we will solder only the anodes that we have in the lowest layer, and we will use 5 jumper wires to connect the cathodes of each layer to the appropriate placement in the PCB. The cube is ready, and as you can see, I can easily place and remove my Arduino. Now let's move to the serious part, which is the source code. I used this cube library, which allows us to indicate the pin connected to each column and row. Then make a sequence of bytes to tell our Arduino the LEDs that we want to turn on by providing the layer number and the LED number. After that, we transfer the sequence through the desired port. So let's try this test where we're gonna turn on and off the LED of the center, which is the LED number 12 of the third layer. Compile the code and upload it, then place the board on its connector, and as you can see, the LED start blinking. In order to have more fun with this, I prepared this code that you can download from the link that I provided in the description of this video. Now let's try it. And showtime. So guys, that's it for this video. It was an amazing project to make. Don't miss to watch the complete show video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get more awesome projects. One last thing, make sure that you are doing electronics every day. It was BNB from Megadas. See you next time.